It costs that much cause it takes me fucking hours. It costs that much cause I don't have superpowers. So you need to pay for my skills cause exposure doesn't pay the bills. It costs that much cause it takes me fucking hours. I know you think my prices are negotiable, but if you keep on questioning, I will not be so sociable. And feel free to walk away, cause I know just what my art is worth. So hear me when I say that it cost that much cause it took me years to master. You're free to try if you think you do it faster. But it would likely turn out shit cause you simply haven't practiced it.
Hey, why she get dumb?